How to download and install GTA 4 on your PC. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install GTA 4 on your PC step by step. So, let's get you started. Before downloading GTA 4, make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements. Now, simply open your web browser and search for GTA 4. Now, as you can see here, you will be finding an official way to download Grand Theft Auto 4 by Rockstar Games. Simply tap on the link of Rockstar Games, as it is the safest way to download GTA 4. Now, what you need to do is simply tap on Buy Now. Here, as you can see. As you can see here, Grand Theft Auto 4 cost around $19.99. So simply tap on Buy Now and you'll be prompted to simply enter your Rockstar Games account. Simply sign into your Rockstar account and you'll be able to download and install GTA 4 on your PC. After installation, just launch the game and enjoy. And that's it. That's how you can simply download and install GTA 4 on your PC easily.